Sa dahig po tayo, na-mention niyo about the domestic legal remedy for PRRD.
Yes.
Ano po ba tayong update on Bibi?
Well, the update is former spokesperson, former Secretary Attorney Harry Roque already sat down and discussed with a local Dutch lawyer, and he has been asking me to do a online consultation and vetting of the lawyer. I've not done that because I've not sat down and discussed this as well with former President Rodrigo Duterte. Since he is the client, I think he should be the one to decide, and he should be informed of the other remedies that are available to him. But hopefully, we can avail of all remedies to get to free Duterte now.